Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change back to the default color settings of your display. So for some reasons, if your color did got to a changes to from the default ones, then you can change it simply. Then what you can do is click on the start button from here. Then you have to search for the settings option from here. You have to click on the settings. Then you have to wait couple of seconds. Then you have to click on the system from left hand side. Then you have to click on the display option from here. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom. Then you have to choose the advanced display from here you will see that how many displays that you are currently using. Since I'm currently using one display, I will be changing the function for this one only. But make sure if you are using another display, the another display will also show here. Then what you can do is click on the display adapter properties for display 1, and then you have to click on the color management option from here you have to choose the color management option. Then you have to click on the advanced tab. Then here you have to click on the change system defaults. After that, you have to come back to the page again. You will see this page again, and then you have to click on the display adapter properties for display 1 again. Then you have to click on the color management again. Then you have to click on the color management again. You have to click on the advanced option from here. Now you will can check this option, use Windows display calibration. Since I didn't change this to the default, that's why it's not working. But if you change this to your default, then you will simply can click on it, and after you click on it, you have to click on the OK option. Then you have to close this all, and after that what you need to do is restart your computer again, and you will see that your color settings is already get back to or got back to your default settings. So thank you very much for watching this video.